Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Once again, here I am with you, Mr. Yahya. So today we will try to give it a shot to listening part one, listening, all parts of listening, but we will be mainly focusing on part one, how to correct part one, how to avoid such making such silly mistakes, right? Silly pilly mistakes. I mean, there is no way making a mistake in part one because it's very important. Part one requires you to fill the gaps only, and filling the gaps is nowhere near as difficult as other types of listening test. Okay, so we have to be careful with this. Let's start our listening then, okay? Let's give it a shot. So, here we've got a brand new listening, and in this listening, I will be looking at uh part one with you guys. So what we have to do in part one, why part one is very simple. We're gonna talk about it. Part one always tries to test your general like skills. I mean, whether you can actually work or live in a foreign country. It's more of a general type of listening, okay? So you have to be careful with this. We're gonna start the test, but before starting the test, I really want you to I really want to analyze the test with you guys. For one word and or a number. Here I can write one word like 17, or I can write one number like September, or I can actually combine them writing like 17 September. Okay, I have such kind of uh right here. Okay, so you have to be careful with this. But when you are asked to when you are required, right, to write only one word and or a number, it means like you can actually write like 17 September, not 17 of September. Do not write off if they say in the listening, okay? That's enough. One number and one word is enough itself. There shouldn't be anything extra for it. If you write 17 th and off and September, you're gonna mess up the test. You're gonna screw up the test. So you better stay humble by just writing only one word and or a number. So let's start our test now, guys. Demek test başlayalım. So what kind of test we've got? We've got amateur dramatic society. Yani amateur dramatic society means like dramatic society that is trying to um dramatic society that is trying to be an amateur. They're not yeah. They're not professionals. They are amateur. Okay. So amateur means like Havaskor dramatic society means like Havaskor drama jamiyati, okay? So let's go. Secretary Jane Caulfield. They're gonna say jail, they're gonna give some information about Jane Caulfield, okay? And we need location for rehearsals. Rehearsal means like preparation. Tayyorgarlik uchun lokatsiya kerak ekan, right? Bizga. So they're gonna say about Secretary Jane Caulfield, mailing address. They will also tell the mailing address 117 Garden Road, Preston, and then we need a location for rehearsals. The Something House win. Guys, here we're gonna work on our spelling. We need to have a very good spelling technique. We need to have very good spelling skills, okay? Ya'ni spellingni yaxshi bo'lishimiz kerak. Spelling qobiliyatlarimiz kerak bu yerga. Zibir bola house win. Spelling qiladi, o'shani yozishim kerak. No experience accessory. You don't have to be an experienced person to attend amateur dramatic society. Ya'ni sizni experience, ya'ni tajribasiz bo'lishi muhim emas. Ya'ni tajribasiz bo'lsangiz ham qatnashaverasiz degan. Next one. They need actors and someone singers. Qarang, ularga aktyorlar kerak ekan va qanaqadir qo'shiqchilar kerak. Misol uchun rock singersmi, classical class qanaqadir, xullas qanaqa turdagi biror bir turdagidir artistlar kerak unga, tushundingiz? So also need people who can something. Guys, I'm gonna write like only one thing. Verb infinitive, verb one. Ya'ni fe'lni o'zini yozaman. Base form of verb, not like verb infinitive, just base form of verb, right? Ya'ni ularga insonlar kerak ekan, who can bir balo, ya'ni bir balo qila oladigan, nimadir vazifa, ish bajara oladigan insonlar kerak ekan ularga. Okay, good. Meeting 6 p.m. every bir balo. Doimo 6-8, qachondir every Saturday, Sunday, I don't really know. And I'm just guessing and I'm gonna get the answer once I hear about it. Close it in bir balo for 2 weeks. 2 haftaga yopilar ekan. Close it in qaysidir payti, ya'ni close it in um, nima holidaysmi on bo'ladida, in bo'lmaydi, like close it in um, nimadir aytadida, endi misol uchun qachondir yopilar ekan, xullas 2 hafta uchun, okay? So membership cost qancha pul tushadi? Misol uchun shu dramatic society, amateur dramatic societyga qatnashish qancha turadi? Standarti $40 ekan. Buni aytgandan so'ng includes something. If you pay 40 euros to this to attend this group or to attend this kind of society, the membership costs will be including a specific thing only once a year. Yiliga bir marta nimanidir o'z ichiga olar ekan, okay? Endi yozamiz, misol uchun, includes a travelmi endi ko'ramiz. Over 60s or unemployed, 60 yoshdan oshganlar yokida ishsiz insonlar uchun qanchadir narx turar ekan bu, misol uchun. $40 deyaptimi standart kosti? Bularga misol uchun $20 deyish mumkin. Chunki ishsizlar deyapti-yu, yokida 60 yoshdan oshganlar, ularga qanaqadir chegirma bo'ladi endi, a? Next one. Youth group. Yoshlarning gruppasi uchun for people aged something years old and under. Ya'ni bizga insonlar kerak deyapti va ular qanchadir yoshga kirgan bo'lishi kerak. O'sha yoshga kirgan insonlar uchun nimadirlar bor deyapti. Xullas, biz topishimiz kerak yoshlar gruppasini yoshini. Aged degani yashab o'tgan degani. For people aged, for example, 20 years old and under. Tushunyapsizmi? 20 yosh yokida undan past. Mana misol uchun bitta raqam aytadi. O'sha yoshgacha yokida undan pastgacha bo'lgan insonlar yoshlarning gruppasiga kiritiladi deyapti. Tushunib oldingizmi? Demak, men maksimal yoshini topishim kerak. Bu yerda under deyapti, undan pastrog'i deyapti. Aytib ketadi o'zi. Shows bor ekan, mostly plays by something others. Qaranglar, shoular bo'lar ekan, u ko'pincha qanaqadir avtorlar tomonidan qo'yilar ekan. O'sha shoular ijro etilar ekan, qanaqadir avtorlar tomonidan. Misol uchun plays by local authorsmi, misol uchun lokalniy yoki foreign authorsmi ko'ramiz. Family show in December raises money for children something. Ya'ni Desemberda bo'ladigan family show, oila showi bolalar uchun pul yig'ar ekan. Bolalarning nimasidir uchun. Raise money for children's education ma. Bolalarning nimadir uchundir. Raise money degani pul yig'ishar ekan. Dekabrda bo'ladigan oila showi dan tushgan mablag' o'shanga sarflanar ekan, okay? Let's go, guys. We are starting. So I better do the listening fully, right? I'm gonna do the full listening, and you're gonna be watching it. And at the end of the listening, I'm gonna explain you why I chose these answers and why they are correct. Inshallah, 100%. Okay, percent. Let's go. Boshladik.
IELTS listening. Version 594.
Boshida aytadi, IELTS listening dedi. Bizga kerak emas, chunki analyze qilib bo'ldik, okay? Let's go. O'shani boshlaymiz.
Part 1. You will hear. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I've just moved to the area and saw an advertisement for your drama society, so I'm calling to find out some more details.
Sure. I'm the Society Secretary. My name's Jane Caulfield.
Thanks. Can you tell me exactly where the society is based?
Well, the address for the Society is my address, which is 117 Green Road, like the colour, and that's in Prestwyn. But that's just the mailing address. It's not where we actually rehearse. We do that at the clubhouse in Wynne. It's behind the playing fields. It used to be a cricket club, you see.
Oh, right.
So, is this a new interest, or do you have some acting experience? It doesn't matter if you haven't, you know. Experience isn't a requirement.
Well, that's good, because I haven't got any. But I am musical, and I've got some experience of song festivals.
Oh, that's great. We're always looking for actors and singers, of course, especially male ones. Oh, by the way, do you have a car?
Yes. Why?
It's a big help if you're able to drive. Not all our members have access to transport, so it's very helpful.
I see. Well, I'm sure I can help out there. So, when do you actually meet?
On Tuesday, from 6 till 8 p.m.
Sorry, you said Tuesday, not Thursday?
Yes.
Good. Thursdays are a problem for me. I do some private tutoring and can't move that.
Right.
And that's all year, no breaks.
Good point. We do close for a couple of weeks, you know, in August, so we don't get together then. Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10.
Judayam tiniq gapiryapti. Mana misol uchun avgust ikki haftaga yopilamiz. Siz chorshanba demadingiz, seshanba dedi. Ya, dedingiz deb ham aytib ketyapti. Yokida misol uchun moshinangiz bormi deyapti. Bizga haydovchilar, hayda oladiganlar kerak deyapti. Qanaqa singerlar desa, mail once deb ketdi. Once bu singerni ifodalayapti. Bizga singerlar kerak, especially mail once dedi. Eng qilib oddiy aytdi. Okay? So, let's go, guys.
Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
And is there a joining fee?
To be a member costs just £40.
A year?
Yes, and that covers our annual dinner.
Oh, right.
But there's a rate for concessions, which are for people over 60 and the unemployed.
I've just retired, so that's good news. What's the discount?
It was 10%, but now it's more. You pay just £25, which is a reduction of £15.
Every little helps after all, especially with a teenage son. Actually, I wanted to ask if there's an age limit. Could Jack come along too? He's 15.
Actually, we have a special youth group, and that's open to anyone up to and including 16 years old, so he could join that.
Great. Keep him out of trouble. And what about the shows you put on? You said you were very busy. Do you have plays, etc., every year, or how does it work?
Well, we put on at least 2 productions a year. Occasionally we might do Shakespeare, but normally we choose works by modern playwrights.
Sounds quite varied and challenging. And you rehearse for the 2 productions when you meet up?
Certainly, but that's not all we do. We also write our own family show each winter for the December holidays, which is always a lot of fun, and is actually very popular in the local community. We donate the money we make to the Children's Hospital here.
Well, oh, that sounds very nice. I've been involved in...
All right, so guys, we finished the whole listening, I believe. So there is no mistake, I believe, as far as I am concerned, because I really tried to find the correct answers as possible as I can. And as you can see, actually, the part one is not that drastic or difficult as you might expect. Okay, so we're gonna check the whole part one now, and then we will you know we will find how many correct answers we've got. So we've got how many correct answers? We've got, yeah, 10 out of 10 because I'm gonna explain you everything one by one. Okay, we've got club, mail, drive, Tuesday, August, dinner, 25, 16, and modern, as well as hospital. So guys, it's time for analyzing. I mean, there is a very amazing way. There is a very amazing way to analyze the part one in like in no time. It's not in no time. It takes a lot of time actually, but um the process like seems to be happening in no time once you are diving deeply into it, okay? Ya, qaranglar, men sizlarga tushuntiraman. Birinchi to'xtatib tushuntiraman, okay? Juda ham oson gapiryapti-da, mana. Qaranglar.
Tell me exactly where the society is based.
Well, the address
Tell me exactly where the society is based. Ya'ni haqiqatan ham mana society, jamiyat qayerda nima bo'lganini menga ayting. Ya'ni based degani o'sha misol uchun tegishliligini ayting deyapti.
for the society is my address, which is 117 Green Road.
Meni masalan deyapti, Garden Road deb qo'ydi, o'zi mana bu green bo'lishi kerak. 117 Green Road deyapti.
Like the colour, and that's in
Va o'shani rangi o'xshaydi deyapti.
Prestwin.
Va u Presswinda deyapti, qarang.
But that's just the mailing address.
But that's just a mailing address. Faqatgina bu o'sha email addressim xolos.
It's not where we actually rehearse.
It's not where we actually rehearse uni yozishingiz kerak-da, mana. It's not where we actually rehearse degani, rehearse location for rehearsals degani. Qachon shuni yozasiz? Once you start writing the notes down, you will actually get to find a lot of answers at the time. Tushunyapsiz-a? Qachon yozishni boshlasangiz, keyword table degan usuli bo'ladi listeningda. O'sha keyword table qilishni boshlasangiz, keyin siz muvaffaqiyatga erishib turgan bo'lasiz-da. Ya'ni part 1 juda ham easy, xato qilmasligimiz kerak, yaxshilar. Tushuninglar meni. Jon kuydirib gapiraman, har doim xato qilaverasizlar. O'quvchilarim, qaranglar. Especially intergruppam. Intergruppam ya'ni inter yaqinda tugatgan gruppam. Endi boshladinglar. 20 kun, 30 kun bo'lyapti, почти bir oy bo'lyapti. Xato qilmasligimiz kerak. Mana qaranglar. Location for rehearsals degani, mana o'zi listeningni yo'qotib qo'ymasligingiz kerakda. You must not lose your direction. You must not lose the direction when you are in the listening test. When you are, listening to the listening audio that is being that is being played now, currently, okay? Adashtirmasligingiz kerakda. Mana location for rehearsals degani it's not where we actually rehearse deyapti. Qarang. Rehearse. Ya'ni rehearse degani bu tayyorlanmoq degani. Misol uchun I have to, misol uchun I had to burn the midnight oil to rehearse for my exam. Ya'ni men imtihonimga tayyorgarlik ko'rishim uchun tuni bilan uxlamasdan ishlab chiqishimga to'g'ri keldi degan gapni gapirdim hozir. Location for rehearsals degani it's not where. Where bu yoqda nimaga sinonim bo'lyapti? Locationga sinonim bo'lyapti. Mana bu ikkalasi bir-biriga sinonim tushadi. Mana bu rehearse bilan rehearsal they are kind of uh, father and a son, right? I mean, rehearse is a father, rehearsals is a son. Rehearsals degani tayyorgarliklar degani, rehearse degani tayyorlanmoq degani. Tushunishingiz kerak shunga. Endi joyni aytadi, qanaqadir joyda aytdi, clubhouse dedi. Bo'ldi, o'sha klub uy ekan.
We do that at the clubhouse in Wynne. It's behind the playing fields. It used to
It's behind the playing wheels. Ya'ni xullas playing wheelslarni orqasida. It used to be. Ilgari mana bitta bo'lgan deyapti, lekin hozir u yerda emas.
be a cricket club, you see.
It used to be a cricket club, you see. Tushundingmi? Bu cricket club bo'lgan oldin, lekin hozir mana bu clubhouse, ya'ni biz it's the place where we actually rehearse deyapti.
Oh, right.
So, is this a new interest, or do you have some acting experience?
Is this a new interest or do you have some acting experience? Ya'ni mana bu haqda gapiryapti. Qarang, bu yangi qiziqishingmi yokida bu seni acting experience mi? Ya'ni уже oldin qilganmisan buni, ijro etganmisan deyapti. Qarang. Is this a buni men hammasiga chizib qo'yapti. It's not what I wanted from it. Qarang. Is this a new interest? Is this a new interest? Interest or nima dedi? Is this a new interest or an acting experience dedimi? An acting experience. Shu gapni gapirgandan keyin qaranglar, tushunishingiz kerakda.
It doesn't matter if you haven't, you know.
Qarang, it doesn't matter if you haven't, Qarang, o'zi aslida deyapti, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you haven't, matter if you haven't. If you haven't, O'zi aslida deyapti, farqi yo'q. Misol uchun, agar senda experience bo'lmasa degan ma'noni aytyapti. Tushunyapsizmi? It doesn't matter if you haven't, degani no experience necessary degani. Farqi yo'q. It doesn't matter degani not necessary degani. Tushunyapsizmi? Not necessary bilan it doesn't matter bilan no necessary bir-biriga sinonim bo'lar ekan. Alright? Sorry for that. Tushuning mana shunga. Qachon tushunsangiz keyin listeningni yaxshilab borishni boshlaysiz. No necessary, it doesn't matter. Does not. Noga sinonim match with doesn't bir rol o'ynaydi degani necessary, muhim degan so'zga sinonim bo'lyapti ekan. Bo'ldi, qildingizmi buni? Next one'ga o'ting. Qarang, men yozib yotmay qolganimni o'zingizlar qilasizlar. So, eshitdik.
Experience isn't a requirement.
Yana aytib ketdi-da, experience isn't a requirement. Yana marta endi aytib ketyapti. Experience isn't a requirement. Requirement. Experience isn't a requirement means like talab qilinadigan narsa emas tajriba deyapti. Bu degani muhim emas degani. Tushundingizmi? Endi eshiting.
Well, that's good because I haven't got any. But I am.
That's good because I haven't got any. Oh, deyapti. Vali bolani boshiga qush qo'ndi, musicha qo'ndi, chumchuq qo'ndi. Wow, zo'r-ku deyapti. Menda как раз yo'q deyapti. Tushunyapsizmi? Endi qarang. Mana nima deyapti?
I'm musical, and I've got some experience of Song Festival.
You've got musical, I've got some experience in song festival, ya'ni song festivalida, qo'shiq festivalida, qo'shiq festivalida meni xullas tajribam bor deyapti bola.
Oh, that's great. We're always looking for actors and
We are always looking for actors
singers.
and singers. Qarang, we are always looking for actors and singers. Biz deyapti doimo aktyorlar bilan singerlarni qidiramiz deyapti. Qanaqa singerlar? Qanaqa singerlar?
Of course, especially male ones.
Especially male singers, especially male ones. Ones degani singerga hozir singerni ifodalayapti. Ya'ni shulardan bittasi, ya'ni singer ones, как male ones, right? So we are actually looking for actors and singers, of course, especially especially male ones. Ayniqsa erkeklarini deyapti. Tushunyapsizmi? Male singers, erkak xonandalar kerak ekan. Bo'ldi, buni aytdi. Endi 3 ga qaraysiz. Qarang, 3 ga nima deyapti?
Oh, by the way, do you have a car?
Oh, by the way, do you have a car? Ya'ni, oh, by the way, do you have a car deyapti. Ya'ni, oh, mashining bormi? By the way degani aytib qo'y, by the way degani aytgancha degani. Aytgancha mashining bormi deyapti, qarang.
Yes. Why?
Yes, why?
It's a big help if you're able to drive.
It's a big help if you're able to drive. Guys, mana grammatika. It's a big help if you're able to drive. Mana grammatika. Nimaga grammatika ustoz, nimaga kerak, nimaga kerak? Grammatika kerak %100. It's a big help if you're able to drive. It is a big help if you are able to drive. Mana able to'ni o'tganmisizlar sizlar? Ma'nosini o'zim o'tganman shekilli, to'g'rimi? Able to degani qodir degani. Can bilan sinonim bir gapir bu. Mana bu can degani able to degani. Tushunyapsizmi? To be able to degani shu. Able to faqatgina rasmiyroq tarzda ishlatiladi. O'shaning uchun bekorga listeningni ishlatmayapti. If you're able to drive, also need. It's a big help degani also need people, mana need. Shuningdek muhtojmiz. Mana yordam ikkalasi bir-biriga sinonim. You guys understand? Very easy. Tushunyapsizmi? Ana. Also need people who can. It's a big help if you're able to drive. Juda ham katta yordam bergan bo'lardingiz agar siz hayda olganingizda. Shuningdek biz insonlarga muhtojmiz, ya'ni yordamga muhtojmiz. Kimki bir balo qila oladi. Are able to means the same thing. It's a synonym word for can. Tushunyapsizmi? Can degan qila olaman degan. Misol uchun I can play football yoki I can actually draw very beautiful pictures yoki I am able to draw beautiful pictures. Bir xil narsa ma'nosi. Are able to degani qodir bo'lmoq degani. Qo'lidan kelmoq degani. Can bilan sinonim bo'ladi. Mana javob. Nima kerak sizga boshqa yana? Keyingisini eshitamiz. Let's go.
Not all our members have access to transport.
Not all of our members have access to transport. Hammasida ham transportga nimasi yo'q. Access degani bu misol uchun access deydi-yu. Imkoniyati yo'q xullas.
So it's very helpful.
I
So it's very helpful. Shuning uchun juda ham muhim bu deyapti.
see. Well, I'm sure I can help out there.
I'm sure I can help out there. Men ishonchim komil u yerga yordam berib yubora olaman deyapti. I can help out there desa, oh, can deyapti, help deb yozib qo'ymang. Bu insonlarga muhtoj. Kimki yordam bera oladi. O'zi shunday ham yordam berish kerak. Bir balo qila olib turib yordam berish kerak-da. O'shanaqa qila oladigan insonlarni topishingiz kerak. Drive qila oladigan. Endi aytyapti qarang.
So, when do you actually meet?
When we actually meet, qachon uchrashamiz o'zi deyapti.
On Tuesday from 6 till 8 p.m.
From Tuesday, on Tuesday from 6 to late 8 p.m. Soat 6 dan 8 gacha deyapti. On Tuesday deyapti o'zi. Har Tuesdayda deyapti, qarang.
Sorry, you said Tuesday, not Thursday.
Sorry, you said Tuesday, not Thursday. Siz Tuesday dedingiz, Thursday emas deyapti.
Yes.
Good. Thursdays are a problem for me.
Thursdays are a problem for me. Thursday ko'p ketyapti yozib qo'yilmay. Like nimalar? Payshanba kunlari muammo bo'ladi menga deyapti.
I do some private tutoring and can't
I do some private tutoring. Ya'ni men o'sha bir shaxsiy darsim bor, tutoring degan. Dars o'taman.
move that.
And can't move there. Ya'ni men chiqib keta olmayman deyapti. Qarang. Qachondir yopilar ekan 2 haftaga. Qarang.
Right.
And that's all year, no breaks.
That's all year, no breaks. Har yili deyapti. Ya'ni butun yili bo'yi deyapti. Birorta ham tanaffus yo'q deyapti.
Good point.
Good point. Yaxshi narsani aytdingiz.
We do close for a couple of weeks.
We do close degani biz aniq yopilamiz for a couple of weeks. For a couple of degani 2 weeks degani. Mana for a couple of bilan 2 weeks ikkalasi bir-biriga sinonim. For a couple of weeks and 2 weeks are synonyms to each other, right? For a couple of weeks. For a couple of weeks. Mana couple of yaxshilar. Bu couple of mana buni ukasaman. Bu couple of bilan mana bu ikkalasi bir-biriga sinonim. Aytda Redditga yozsam chiqaveradi. Tushunyapsizmi? Xo'p. Bu aytyapti o'sha javobga yaqin kelyapti. Bir couple of weeks yopilamiz deyapti. We do actually close for a couple of weeks. Endi in August deydi. O'zi qarang mana. Ingliz tilida qachon ishlatasiz? When you want to describe a specific month themselves, right? Or you can actually use it for years. For example, in 2020, in 2015, in 2010, in 2000, right? Misol uchun. Ya'ni yillarni oldidan, oylani oldidan ishlatasiz. Bo'ldi shu. Agar mana bu oyni oldidan raqam etib qo'ysa, bu onga o'zgarib qoladi. Shu ta'min qilib turishingiz kerak-da o'zi listeningda. Tushunyapsizmi?
You know, in August.
You know, in August. Qani urg'u bo'ladi har bitta javob to'g'ri javobda. Urg'uga suyanib qolmang, lekin urg'u sizga javob to'g'riligini isbotlay beradi.
So we don't get together then.
So we don't get together then. We don't get together then degani ko'rishmaymiz degani. Get together birga bo'lmaymiz emas, ko'rishmaymiz bu. We don't get together then. Undan keyin biz ko'rishmaymiz deyapti.
Before you
Right, so before you hear or something like that, so bu darsim yana misol uchun maxsus o'quvchilarim uchun, Ag'ajon siz uchun ham bu dars listeningni ko'ring part 1 ni. Right? Qolgan o'quvchilarim ham har bittalarga spesifik dars yozyapman yoki boshqa o'quvchilarga ham. Qaranglar, you understood, right guys? You understood. O'zi dindarlarni ham anaqa aytdi, 25 ta ham aytdi. Shu joyi ozgina adashtirib qo'ygan bo'lishi mumkin. 10% dedi, o'sha joyini adashtirasiz. O'sha paytda bitta nima qaytarib olaylik. Analyze qilaylik.
listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Qarang, o'zicha nimadir olar ekan. Once year annually deb ketdi.
And is there a joining fee?
To be a member
Is there a joining fee? Biror qo'shilish nima bormi? Feesi to'lov bormi? To be a member cost, ya'ni to be a member of the club, member bo'lish uchun
costs just £40.
40 pounds turadi. O'zi aytdim men buni. Endi men buni aytdim. Endi bu ichiga nimani oladi degan. Qarang.
A year?
Deyapti, yiligami deyapti.
Yes, and that covers our annual dinner.
And that covers our annual dinner. And that covers our annual dinner. Mana sizga kalit so'zlar. And that covers our annual dinner. Yaxshilar qaraymiz. And that covers our annual dinner. Mana annual nima degani? Annual degani yillik degani. Bu qaysinga sinonim bo'ladi bu so'z? Annual degan so'z qaysiga sinonim bo'ladi? Annual degan so'z mana once a year, mana once a year, mana yiliga degani. Tushunyapsizmi? Mana shu ikkalasi bir-biriga sinonim bo'lyapti. And that covers our annual dinner. Bu bizni yillik dinnerimizni, ya'ni yillik o'sha har bir yiliga bir marta bo'ladigan nonushtamizni o'z ichiga oladi degani. Covers qaysiga sinonim bo'lyapti? Guys, covers here includes. Tushunib oldingizmi? Bo'ldi, nima kerak? Endi dinner bo'lishini bilasiz-ku. Bo'ldi. Tushunyapsizmi? Annual dinner. Qanaqadir nimanidir o'z ichiga oladi. Cover degani qoplaydi degani. O'z ichiga oladi bu ham ma'nosi. Annual dinner yillik tushlik ovqat. Tushunyapsizmi? Endi yillik kechki ovqat. Bu yoqda once a year, yiliga bir marta kechki ovqat bo'ladi deyapti. Bo'ldi, that's it. Keyingisiga 60 yoshdan oshganlar yokida ishsizlar uchun qanchadir narx ekan.
Right.
But there's a rate for concessions.
There is a rate for concessions degani o'sha bir nima degani, misol uchun shoxi borlar uchun nima bor? Rate, jadval bor. Concessions degani o'sha chegirmalar degani.
Which are for people over 60 and
Which are for people over 60. 60 dan oshganlar uchun deyapti. 60 dan oshganlar uchun degani 60s degani. O'zi 60lar degani mana 60 dan 69 gacha degani. Tushunyapsizmi? 70 gacha emas, 60 dan 69 gacha misol uchun yoshingizni aytmoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsangiz, siz agar 20 yosh bo'ladi, 25 yosh bo'ladigan bo'lsangiz, yoshingizni aniq aytmoqchi emasmisiz? Aytasizki, I am in my 20s deysiz. Men 20 yoshlarimdaman degani. Bu degani 20 dan to shu 20, 27, 28 gacha boradi. Ya'ni 29, endi 29 pashta 30 man deysizda. Shu 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 lar shunaqa bir I mean my 20s desa bo'ladi. Yoki boshqa son raqamlariga ham xuddi shunaqa jadval ishlaydi.
the unemployed.
And unemployed dedi. Endi eshiting.
I've just retired,
I've just retired, so men hozir pensiyaga chiqdim deyapti. Shuning uchun
so that's good news.
that's good news. Yaxshi xabar, endi narxiga kelishishadi.
What's the discount?
What's the discount? Chegirma qancha deyapti. What's the discount? Bizga chegirma emas, bizga narx kerak. Narx, chegirmadan qolgan narx kerak.
It was 10%,
Qani, it was 10%. Bu 10% edi oldin. Oldin 10% edi.
but now it's more. You
But now it's more, lekin hozir ko'proq chegirma. Oldin 10% edi. 10% yozib qo'ymang. Lekin hozir ko'proq deyapti.
pay just £25,
You just pay 25 pounds. Siz faqatgina 25 dollar, ya'ni 25 pound to'laysiz,
which is a reduction of £15.
which is a reduction of 15 pounds. 15, qarang, 15 yozib qo'ymang. Tushunyapsizmi? Which is a reduction of 15 pounds deyapti. Bu yerda 15% sizga reduction bo'lgan, ya'ni chegirma bo'lgan. Oldin nima edi, ya'ni standart nechi pul edi? 40 dollarmi? 40 dan 15 tarsiz 25 qoladimi? Bo'ldi, 15 ta yozmang. 40 dan 25 dan, xullas 40 dan 25 qolgan deyapti. Ya'ni 15% chegirmasi bilan 25 dollar to'laysiz, 25 yevro to'laysiz deyapti. Bo'ldi, that's it. Keyin aytdi, misol uchun o'g'lim bormi dedi, 15 yoshmi dedi. keyin aytdiki, u 16 yoshlargacha dedi. Including and undermi dedi xullas. Tushundingizmi? 16 topishimiz kerak endi. Let's go.
Every little helps, huh?
Every little helps after all degani, xullas oxirida hamma bir xullas qancha bo'lsa ham xullas eng kichkina yordam ham every little helps degani, xullas hamma narsa yordam beradi degan. Misol uchun sizga taksi 1000 so'm beryapti, 1000 so'mlik tanga o'shaning uchun every little helps deb qo'yaverasiz. Yokida aytyapsiz, siz Gumma xonimga bordingiz deylik, Gumma xonimga borodingiz, 20 ming so'm pul berdingiz ikkita gumma uchun. Lekin ikkita gumma o'zi 9000 so'mdan, yokida 9,5 ming, aytaylik 22 ming pul berdingiz. O'zi siz shotingiz 21 ming so'm bo'ladi. Choyi bilan ikkita gummasi bilan 21 ming so'm bo'ladi. 22 ming bersangiz, keyin u akam aydam yo'q deyapti. Siz nima deyishingiz kerak? Every little helps after all deysiz. Hamma xullas har bir chaqasi rol o'ynaydi. O'shaning uchun can you please give me some chewing gums instead desangiz, menga saqich bera olasizmi o'rniga deb turib aytsangiz bo'ladi. Every little helps. Har bitta narsa xullas foyda beradi. Xullas 100 so'm ham foyda beradi degani ma'nosi.
After all, especially with a teenage son.
Especially with a teenage son, ya'ni o'zi voyaga o'spirin o'g'limga yordam beradi, ayniqsa deyapti.
Actually, I wanted to ask if there's an age limit.
Actually, I wanted to ask if there is an age limit. O'zi aslida men deyapti, so'ramoqchi edim, yosh chegarasi bormi deyapti. Qarang, eshiting.
Could Jack come along too?
Could Jack come along too? O'sha Jack o'g'lim kela oladimi men bilan deyapti.
He's 15.
He's 15, 16 yosh deyapti. 15 yosh deyapti. Yozib qo'ymang 15 deb. Hali u aytish kerak yosh chegarasini. U taklif beryapti. Men 15 yosh o'g'lim bor. Borsa bo'ladimi deyapti.
Actually, we have a special youth group.
Actually, we have a special youth group. Mana bitta gapirish boshladi. Bizda maxsus youth group bor deyapti. Endi eshiting.
And that's open to anyone up to and including 16 years old.
That's open to anyone up to 16 and including years old, nima? That's up to anyone including 16 years old. Xullas, including 16 years old degani 16 yoshlarni ham o'z ichiga oladi va 16 yoshgacha bo'lganlarni ham o'z ichiga oladi deyapti. Tushunib oldingizmi? Shuni yozing, mana yozish kerak shuni. That's up to and including 16 years old. Up to degani bu yerda qani up to. Xullas, up to degani aged 16 yearsga to'g'ri kelyapti. Including degani 16 yoshlarni ham o'z ichiga oladi degani, undan ham pasti degan ma'noda kelyapti ekan. That's up to bor-ku, underga to'g'ri keladi. Ya'ni that's up to degani gacha deganida, 16 yoshgacha. Bu degani undan ham past bo'laveradi. Including degani 16 yosh shuni olaverasiz. Including 16 years old degani 16 yoshlar ham kiraveradi degani. Ya'ni oxirgi yosh 16 deganida. Tushunyapsizmi? Endi 9 mabodo xato qilib qo'ygan bo'lishi mumkin. Playlist deb ketishdi. Shunga o'xshagan narsa aytdi. Playlist sahnasalarimiz bor deyapti va u qanaqadir avtorlar tomonidan ijro etiladi deyapti-da. Endi uni xato qilishingiz mumkin emas-da, eshitdingmi?
So he could join that.
So he could join that. Ha, u qo'shila oladi.
Great. Keep him out of trouble.
Keep him out of trouble. Uni muammoda saqlab qoldingiz xullas.
And what about the shows you put on?
What about the shows you put on? Put on shows degani show ijro etish degani. Ha, siz qo'yadigan shoularni deyapti.
You said you were very busy.
You said you was very busy. Siz aytdingiz juda ham band deb.
Do you have plays, etc. every year?
Do you have plays or etc. every year? Or ya'ni siz har yili o'sha sahnasalaringiz bormi yo shunaqa narsalar deyapti.
Or how does it work?
How does it work? Qanday ishlaydi bu?
Well, we put on at least 2 productions a year.
Well, we put on 2 productions a year. Hop, biz har yili ikkita production, ya'ni mahsulot, ya'ni ikkita bir productionlar qo'yamiz, ya'ni shoular qo'yamiz.
Occasionally we might do Shakespeare,
Occasionally, ba'zi paytda we might do Shakespeare, ya'ni Shakespeare qilishimiz mumkin.
but normally we choose works by modern playwrights.
But normally we choose works by modern playwrights. Modern playwrights degani playwrights, ya'ni playwrights. Tushunasizmi? Ya'ni playwrights degani bu yerda o'sha sahna asarini yozadigan insonlar tomonidan tanlaymiz. But normally we choose modern playwrights. Tushunyapsizmi? Ya'ni zamonaviy playlarni topamiz. Playwrights degani bu o'sha zamonaviy asarlarni qo'yamiz deyapti. Demak, zamonaviy asarlar kimlar tomonidan yoziladi? Zamonaviy authorlar tomonidan yoziladi. Xullas, modern authors, modern playwrightsga sinonim bo'ladi. Tushundingizmi? That's the saying. O'zi urg'umli aytyapti-ku.
Sounds quite varied.
Sounds quite varied. Juda ham bir xilma-xilga o'xshaydi deyapti.
And challenging.
challenging قيم.
And you rehearse for the two productions when you meet up?
You rehearse for two productions with when you meet up. Siz ko'rishganingizda ikkitagina nimaga tayyorlanasizmi xullas deyapti, mahsulotga deyapti. Buni gapirish boshlaydida. Bolalarning nimasidirgadir pul yig'ishadi. Qarang.
Certainly, but that's not all we do.
That's not all we do. Ya'ni bu hamma qiladigan narsamiz emas bu aslida.
We also write our own family show each winter for
We also write our family show each winter. Har qishda biz o'zimizni oila shoularimizni ham yozamiz. Ko'rsatamiz o'sha narsalarni ham.
the December holidays,
On December holidays, holiday omili doimo. Ya'ni dekabr bayramlarida ham, ta'tillarida ham qo'yamiz.
which is always a lot of fun
Which is always a lot of fun. Ya'ni har doim ajoyib xursandchilik bo'ladi.
and is actually very popular in the local community.
And is actually very popular in local community. Ya'ni local community juda ham mashhur deb. Hali aytgani-yu, bolalarning nimasigadir pul yig'amiz deb.
We donate the money we make to the children's hospital here.
We donate the money we made to the children's hospital here. Bo'ldi. Mana javob sizga. We donate, Shahina qarang, siz uchun. We donate the money we made. We made degan biz ishlagan pulimizni to the children's hospital here. Ya'ni biz deyapti shu yerda joylashgan bolalarning shifoxonasiga ishlagan pulimizni donate qilamiz. Donate degani raise money degani. Yaxshilar. Donate degani raise money degani. Children's bir balo degani children's hospital degani. Bolalarni nimasiga shifoxonasiga deyapti. Bo'ldi. Yana nima kerak? Qanaqa yo'llar kerak? O'zi shu eng zo'r yo'li. Guys, you see, everything is correct here. I mean, every answer that we chose was actually correct. So you don't have to make a mistake in listening. Part one, guys, just try to understand what I'm saying. It's a very easy part of the test, the first part of the test that you always come across once you start like listening test, right? So you have to be aware of the potential misleading parts of the listening part one, because as you can see, they are trying to mislead you. They are trying to make you choose the wrong answer by giving too much details, different kinds of information. So be careful with these things. This is IELTS listening part one. Once you start doing the listening part one in the way that I have recently shown with you guys, you will definitely end up making no mistake in part one as well as other parts too. Listening part four is the grandfather of listening part one. Actually, the listening format is gonna be much more difficult because it's gonna be more of an academic passage, more of an academic part section. So that's why you might probably hear some words that are always used academically, that are always used in formal conversation. So that's the main thing. Okay, so keep it up, guys. Keep tuned. I hope you guys understood what actually part one is and how to take a proper approach to this part. Let's go, guys. Keep tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If the lesson was helpful, make dua for me, for my future, for everything, guys. All right, take care of yourself. Thank you, everybody.